Now see children, we will do the exercise in the copy like this. This exercise is to be done in the copy. See subject, you will divide, make two columns, subject and predicate, and then you will do this way as it is given. Now see here on page number 43, draw a table like the one on the previous page and divide the following sentences into subject and predicate. In the book we'll do like this, but in the copy we have to do as given on page number 43. Alright. First sentence is, listen to that beautiful song. Now what is the subject here? Subject is, I've written like this. I felt that is a subject and listen to beautiful song is a predicate. Clear? Because so it's talking about song, so the subject is that. Clear? Now where is your book? Now the subject is your, where is book is predicate. Number 3, Tom is reading a book. Tom is a subject, is reading a book is predicate. Number 4, how old are you? You is subject and how old are is predicate. Followed. Number 5, John made a terrible mistake. Who made a terrible mistake? John. So John is a subject. Made a terrible mistake is predicate. Clear? Number 6. We love our dog Simba. Who loved the dog Simba? We. So we is a subject. Love our dog Simba is a predicate. Now, number 7. Are we going on a picnic tomorrow? We is subject. Are going on a picnic tomorrow is predicate. Clear? Number 8. Spring will soon be here. Spring subject, will soon be here predicate. What will soon be here? Spring. So spring is a subject talking about spring. So it's a subject. Will be soon here predicate. Number 9. We like to go to school. We is subject. Like to go to school is predicate. Number 10. Can you tell me the time? You is subject and can tell me the time is predicate. Number 11. I like to gaze at the stars. I is a subject. Like to gaze at the stars, predicate. Clear? Number 12. They are eagerly waiting for Christmas. They is a subject. Were eagerly waiting for Christmas is predicate. Clear? So this exercise we'll do in the copy, the way we'll make a table, the way it is given on page number 42, and you'll do the exercise. Now see, there is subject verb agreement. What is subject verb agreement? Let's see. In dividing a sentence into subject, what is given here? In dividing a sentence into subject and predicate, you must have noticed that if the subject is in the singular number, the verb of which it is the subject must be singular in form. Alright. Example, he lives in a big city. Now he is singular, so verb lives is also singular. This you have learned in the base form. Page number, I told you to learn it. What is that page number? Page number 40. It's given. So he is singular and lives is a singular verb also. The subject he is singular in number, so the verb lives is also a singular form of the verb live. Clear? Similarly, if the subject of a verb is plural in number, the verb of which it is the subject must also be plural in form. Example, they live in a big city. They is plural and live is a plural form. The subject has now become plural, they. So the verb also changes its form from singular lives to plural live. Alright? So, a very important rule that you must always follow when you write or speak is that the verb must agree with the subject in number. Clear? If the subject is singular, verb will be singular, and if the subject is plural, the verb will be plural. Okay? Thank you.